Formwork determines the speed and quality of construction. Are you still using wooden formwork? Wooden formwork has low strength and is prone to moisture absorption and deformation, which results in poor concrete forming quality. This often leads to defects such as formwork swelling, honeycombing, surface pockmarking, and faulting of slabs, requiring extensive plastering. Wooden formwork requires on-site measurement, sawing, and splicing, involving cumbersome procedures. It features low installation efficiency, and the subsequent plastering work will prolong the overall construction schedule. Wooden formwork suffer from high material wastage, low reusability, and poor forming quality. Combined with lengthy construction period, this increases costs in materials, equipment rentals, and management. Heavy timber consumption leads to deforestation and environmental degradation. Construction sites are often messy and disorganized, posing significant fire hazards, generating large amounts of construction waste, and presenting prominent safety risks. Are these issues with wooden formwork in construction giving you a headache? Suntown Aluminum Formwork leverages its proven strength to solve all the pain points of traditional wooden formwork construction in one go. Aluminum formwork boasts high strength, no deformation, and a high turnover rate. It delivers smooth wall surfaces without the need for hole patching, enabling no plastering construction. The finished buildings feature superior quality, leading to high owner satisfaction and significantly increased first-time acceptance rates. Aluminum formwork features high standardization, simple and easy-to-learn operation, and high installation efficiency, reducing reliance on aging wooden formwork workers. Aluminum formwork enables integrated construction of full concrete exterior walls with a self-climbing system, shortening construction period by over 20%. Aluminum formwork is reusable and incurs no costs for repairs, grinding, plastering, or hole patching. It shortens construction period and reduces expenses related to project equipment rental and management. The aluminum formwork construction site is free from cutting work and construction waste, maintaining a clean and standardized condition. Relying on the excellent properties of aluminum materials, Suntown Aluminum Formwork can be 100% recycled and reused, which perfectly complies with national green building standards and is hailed as a model of green construction. Suntown Aluminum Formwork, craftsmanship in every detail, quality that earns customer trust, and green practices that fulfill social responsibility. Whether it's cost reduction and efficiency gains, project quality, or environmental requirements, we give it our all.